Welcome to Haes Technologies Technical Support videos. In this video, we will look at the setup of cross-network programming. In this example 3, the group requirements will be any two smoke detectors across the network will activate relay output on loop number 1, device 3 on panel 3. The relay output is not to respond to any other alarms except when two smoke detectors go off. The first detector is located on panel 1, loop 1, address 2. Then we have two detectors on loop 2, panel 1. That's the addresses 7 and 9. Then on panel 2, we have addresses on loop 1, which is address 13 and address 15. And then on panel 2, loop 2, it's address 18. And on panel 3, on loop 1, we have two more detectors, which are address 1 and address 2. And the output module we're going to control is address number 3. First, we open up the site file for panel number 1. Then we drag and drop the three smoke detectors on panel 1 over the group to text line where it says group 003. This is the next available group that isn't being used. You can use any group number you require. This will load our three detectors into the input part of the group at the top here. There are no outputs in this part of the group, so nothing is loaded into the bottom box. On the right hand side of that group window, we can name the group as a double knot group. It's only if you require it. It's not essential. We then set the activation mode to coincident. We set the alarm count to 2. This means that any two devices in this group needs to go before the group is active. And then lastly, we make sure that the group is shared, so we tick the shared box. Next, we open up the site file for panel 2. Again, we drag and drop the three detectors that we require. And again, drop them over the same group number that we used in panel 1, which will be group 003. Again, the devices will be loaded into the top input part of the box here. On the right-hand side, we set the group attributes the same. So again, we can give it a name if we want to. I've called it the same name. We set the activation mode as coincident, the alarm count as 2, and make sure the shared box is ticked as well, so this group can be shared with the group on panel 1. We then open up the site file for panel 3. We drag our two detectors and also the module we're going to use all over the line where it says group number 3. That will then load in the two smoke detectors in this group. Also, the input part of the I/O unit will be loaded into the top box there because it's classed as an input, and the output relay part of the module will be loaded into the bottom box here. We don't require the input part of the module, so we can right-hand click over the module itself at the top, and then go remove device. This will remove just the input part of the input-output module, leaving the relay part in the bottom. Again, we set up the group responses as follows, so we can give it the same group name if required. Make sure the group is set as coincidence. The alarm count should be set as 2, the same as the other groups. And then the shared option should be shared. This will then link this group number 3 with group number 3 on panel 2 and group number 3 on panel 1. Lastly, we need to change the responses for the output module. So we highlight the output module. And then on the right hand side, we set the alarm responses to off, zonal response to off, evac response to off, delay response to off. We set the group response to on, stage response off, alert response off, and class change off. This means that this module will only be affected by the groups on panel 1, panel 2, and panel 3 if two devices go into fire. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit our website at www.haes-tech.com.